leak spot, and this, I have a piece of cardboard we can put down, but the leak spot is right here. That's where it's coming from.
All right. You got something to put on the ground so I don't kill myself? Hey, welcome to Bishop's Garage. I'm Bishop. Well, this is Jason's yard, so it's Jason's garage. Today we're taking a look at Hank. You can see him in the background. We're going to take a look at the carburetor. We got some leaks. Come along with us as we try not to catch fire. Although we are doing some barbecue, sticking the smoke here. We got some pulled pork. Hopefully we'll be getting to a little bit later today. So let's get to this. Here you can see the whole carburetor assembly just rocks back and forth even though it's completely bolted in.
By the way, can I interest you in buying this in huge inflatable floaty?
We wouldn't have any place to put it.
Me either, that's why it's up
Oh,
for
sure,
sale.
yeah. Did you see gas dripping out of here?
Yeah, it's coming from that exact. Well, I couldn't tell where it was coming from, but it was dripping off of that spot. So it's leaking down into that spot from somewhere.
I mean, because when we were working on this before, it was loose like this.
Okay.
You see how it flops back and forth slightly?
Yeah.
And you do have some sort of rubber grommet / gasket here, which is wet. And that would make sense. I can smell the gas.
Yeah, it's hard not to because it's like it's gotten everywhere over the last 2 weeks. It was cooling up down in this area down here. So, I could pour in a little bit just so you can kind of see it if you want.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's put some in there because I can't, without it dripping.
Yeah.
See, it's got a little bit of loose here. So I think we've got a carb on here that's sitting on an adapter plate. And that's loose. See, the carb is sitting here. Looks like it's pulled between the adapter.
2 weeks later.
Hey there, welcome to Bishop's Garage. I'm Bishop. This is not my garage. This is my friend Jason's garage, well, his yard. Today we're working on Hank, one of our favorite projects here. We're going to be doing a carburetor swap, so if you are in the middle of thinking about doing a carburetor swap on your 68 Volkswagen bus, this is going to be important for you. All right, now let's go ahead and tear into this. So our old one, we have electric choke here. We've got well, I don't know what the hell that does. Certainly. Let's see. Oh, that is hot. So we've got hot coming in here. Not quite sure what that is sitting in here. And that makes a lot of sense. And there's our new one. Yep, same parts here. Good solid spring, fuel inlet, electric choke.
Sieving out. Hey. Should I cut off my Benny and Jets?
No, you're good.
Nope, there's that beat.
All right, so we got our paper in there. Just give it a couple little scuffs. There. And then packed in really super tight. This will get all of the stuff out. There we go. Ready for our install. All right, gasket. Boy, that is the world's worst beat up gasket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, they laid it on top of the or like underneath the thing, so the thing probably crushed it on the tripping.
Oh. Okay. Then we have fresh new studs. Should probably actually.
Talking about us, right?
It's exactly right. Alright, so on these, there's no reason to anchor these down super tight. All you'll do is fracture your housing. So these should just go in finger tight. Actually, if you have a little bit of motor oil, just dab a little bit of motor oil on the threads. Keep them from galling. That would figure. The choke wire is on the front, not the back.
Nope. I'm gonna pause you. Oh, there it goes. No, you're almost out. Get some pliers.
The tough part.
Spilled on you from?
All right, so not super tight, but tight. That's where you're going to adjust the height of your brake pedal, essentially. Right, so the more that this is out, the more your pedal is already down. So you just want to take up the slack.
Makes sense.
That way you aren't going tap and then it just falls a little bit before it actually works. This doesn't have to be ogred on. There. 3 bishop pounds. That's how that works. Let's hook our gas back up. Wow, I'm just not good with that screwdriver. Oh, I was good with it. You weren't good with it.
I thought you were done with it. I thought you put the lugs on. The lugs on.
Oops. We'll have to bleep that one. Yeah, we got a good story with Hank here about losing a tire. We'll talk about that.
Always check your nuts, though.
Yes. On your Volkswagen, always check your nuts before you go anywhere. All right, let's take these vacuum lines off. Be better with pliers, but
You have pliers.
that's over there. Brandy, huh? All right, that's on. This is on. Did we have a? Okay, so that's the idle adjust. Huh, okay. All right, so that was capped off, that's good. That's capped off, that's fine. That was open, attached. All right, so I'm gonna hold the choke open and just make sure we have free range and motion of our butterfly, which we do.
Is that wire being there going to be a problem?
Where?
Like the red wire being right where it's pulling down?
Yeah, it is going to be a problem. We had to do that all, though. We'll be able to put it down here. The other choke had the lead off the back, so then I was able to tuck it.
Yeah.
So what I'll do is next time we get together, I'll make this wire longer so we can tuck it behind. Just make it neater. I mean, this looks kind of, just having a wire sitting out there is not the greatest. All right, so I think, double check, yep, we're all hooked up. Let's go ahead and put some drops of fuel down the carb, and then we'll give it a kickoff and see if, oh, we have one more bolt to put on the backside.
Yep.
And that, of course, is going to be the tough one to put on.
The end is always the hardest.
Time.
We have.
Huh, that's good.
Okay, I was gonna say we have a ratchet set, like an actual.
Oh, the ones that go click, 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 click.
Yeah.
Those are nice.
Yeah, we have those whenever you need them.
All right, make sure I didn't pull anything out here. Looks good. Still hooked up. What?
I found them. All right. Okay.
All right, ready?
What am I doing?
Yeah, just start it like you normally would.
So 3 taps and kick on the ignition?
Yep,
Okay. Is it ready?
it's ready. Oh, 1 sec. Go for it. You want it out of gear? Go back up over me. Try different gear. Except reverse. Okay, stop. 1 sec.
No. But is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
So what's the situation with the voltage? Like,
It just needs to be run. You need to have an actual battery charger on this. The batteries are just not the greatest.
so replace the batteries and they'll probably be fine.
That's expensive.
Yeah.
I would recommend just getting a decent battery charger, a nice 12-volt decent battery charger, something you could sit in here, plug up to your battery, and then charge for a good 3 or 4 days straight.
Okay. So the battery.
Because this is not a substitute for a battery charger.
Right. No.
The other substitute is driving this for 3 or 4 hours straight.
Yeah. So what you're saying is the battery's just dead.
Right now, it's just trickled down from sitting and not running. I mean, they do need to be run about every week. Actually, can you go ahead and try starting it? Just want to make sure. I adjusted the timing a little bit. All right, let's see if we can get this going. Go for it. May have to look at the timing a little bit, but we do have an exhaust leak over here. All right, you can kill it.
Take a trip to Yellowstone or something.
All right, we're doing our outro, ready? All right, so that's how we do a carb here.
No car.
Yeah, nothing caught fire. I almost didn't get run over. Didn't. All right. Thanks for coming along. If you have any questions, just let me know. Click the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see when I got new videos up. And thanks for coming along on this one.
Tune in next time to see if he gets run over.
Right on. See ya. Oh, it's all right.